Okay, now we are going to discuss another question in electric potential chapter. So, what is this question? Derive the expression for the potential energy of an electric dipole in uniform electric field. So, we use potential energy term whenever there is a change in configuration of an object. Okay, then only we use potential energy. That means when we change the position of any body from original position to other position, then there is a energy stored in that body. That energy what we call potential energy. So let us see. Okay, here this is a dipole. This is a dipole. This dipole is placed in uniform electric field. Uniform electric field at an angle theta with the field. Now what happens here? There is a force is acting on a positive charge along the direction of field. That is F is equal to EQ. Okay. There is a force is acting on the negative charge opposite to the direction of electric field. F is equal to, that is also a EQ. Right. That means these two forces acting on a dipole in a different directions, and they do not acting on the same line. Okay. So that these two forces produce a torque in the dipole. Already we discussed in electric fields and charges. Okay. Here, when this dipole is placed in uniform electric field, the net force acting on the dipole is zero. Net force is zero, but net torque is not zero. Net torque is not zero. That is very important point. Okay. Now we want to find out what is the torque is acting on this dipole. Now rotate this dipole through a small angle d theta. Then the work done in rotating dipole. Through a small angle d theta is equal to how much amount of work is done. dW is equal to work done is equal to, generally in mechanics we use force into displacement, but this is rotatory motion. In rotational mechanics we use torque into displacement, angular displacement. Torque into angular displacement. Right. So W is equal to tau into d theta. This is the small amount of work is done in rotating the dipole through a small angular displacement of d theta. Total work done in rotating dipole from initial position theta 1 to theta 2, final position theta 2. So whenever we find total work done, we have to integrate about this equation, integration of dW from theta 1 to theta 2, that is equal to integration of theta 1 to theta 2, torque into d theta. Okay? Right. Integration of dW, that is equal to W. Integration of theta 1 to theta 2, torque is equal to, already we derive the formula in electric fields and charges, PE sin theta. PE sin theta. Now, so W is equal to, okay, PE, bring outside theta 1 to theta 2, sine theta d theta. Right, W is equal to PE integration of sine theta is equal to minus cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. So W is equal to PE minus PE, replace theta with theta 2 and theta 2, theta 1, cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Okay, send this minus to the inside. Then what we write here, PE is into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Okay, this is the amount of work done in rotating the dipole in electric field. In electric field. Now we consider a special general case. Work done in rotating dipole from theta 1 is equal to 90 to theta 2 is equal to other angle theta. Okay, W is equal to PE cos theta 1 cos 90 minus cos theta. Okay, W is equal to PE cos 90 0 minus cos theta. So W is equal to what we get? Minus PE cos theta. So W is equal to minus P dot E. This is the expression generally we used for potential energy stored in a dipole in uniform electric field. This work done is converted as potential energy. U is equal to minus P dot E. U is equal to minus P dot E. When potential energy minimum, when potential energy maximum, let us discuss in case 1. When theta is equal to 0. When theta is equal to 0. That means when the dipole is placed parallel to the electric field. That means this is a dipole. This dipole is placed parallel to the electric field. Then potential energy is minimum. U is equal to minus PE. U is equal to minus PE. In this situation, dipole is in equilibrium. That equilibrium is called stable equilibrium. Stable equilibrium. So case 2. When potential energy maximum, when theta is equal to 180 degrees. That means this dipole is rotated opposite to the direction of electric field, and this dipole is anti-parallel to the direction of electric field. Then U is equal to, we write here, minus PE cos 180. Cos 180 is equal to how much? Minus 1. U is equal to plus P. So in this case, the dipole is in unstable equilibrium. What type of equilibrium? Unstable equilibrium. Okay. So this is the question. This question is light important. Okay. But objective point of view, these cases are very, very important. Okay.